What's inside the FSOC's long-awaited report on crypto regulation? The Financial Stability Oversight Council published its own report on crypto regulations, calling for Congress to designate a spot market regulator. By Nicholas Delaya 2 Oct 7, 2022 at 8:30 p.m. Updated October 7, 2022 at 8:38 p.m. By Nicholas Delaya 2 Oct 7, 2022 at 8:30 p.m. Updated October 7, 2022 at 8:38 p.m. Financial Stability Oversight Council, FSOC, published its own highly anticipated report in response to U.S. President Joe Biden's executive order on crypto earlier this week, calling on Congress to define the line between a security and a non-security, at least as far as crypto is concerned. You're reading State of Crypto, a CoinDesk newsletter looking at the intersection of cryptocurrency and government. Click here to sign up for future editions. FSOC, do something, Congress. The narrative. The Financial Stability Oversight Council, FSOC, finally published a long-anticipated report about the regulation of crypto. Essentially, FSOC said it believes federal agencies already have much of the authority they need to oversee large chunks of the crypto sector. The one area it really asked for Congress to get involved is defining just where the limits of securities regulation should be. In other words, much of this wasn't really a surprise. Why it matters where the line is between a crypto security and a crypto commodity is the question in the US. Where exactly does the Securities and Exchange Commission's authority end and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission's authority begin? Congress has not really tried to answer that question. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.